Welcome to the Mint Report, our wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. Finance Minister postpones GAAR by 1 year. HDFC reports robust earnings, and markets end Monday in the green. First up, one of the most controversial tax proposals in recent times has finally been postponed. On Monday, Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee told Parliament his government would delay the rollout of the General Anti-Avoidance Rules or GAAR. Mukherjee said the delay would help both taxpayers and authorities to address issues arising out of the proposal. Crucially, he added that the burden of proving tax evasion would now lie with tax authorities rather than investors. GAAR had been announced a part of the union budget for this year, but its provisions scared both overseas investors and local companies. And in other news, HDFC, India's biggest mortgage lender, has beaten street estimates with its fourth quarter earnings. Standalone net profit rose 16% to 1,142 crores and total income surged 29% to 4,885. Of course, HDFC did see a few disappointments. Its profit from sale of investments fell, even as interest expense rose. But HDFC's key indicators were also up. Net interest income soared about 24% to 1,867 crores and net interest margin held steady at 4.4%. Not surprisingly, shares of the firm climbed 0.57% on the BSE. On a day the Sensex closed just 0.48% higher. And finally, here's a look at how Indian markets fared on Monday. The delay of the GAAR proposals improved investor sentiment despite the persistence of broader economic worries. The Sensex jumped up 82 points to finish at 16,913 and the Nifty climbed 27 to 5,114. Shares of banks went into positive territory on Monday. State Bank of India climbed 1.63% on the BSE to 2,026 and ICICI Bank gained 1.65% by the end of trade. But HDFC Bank proved an exception with a loss of 0.86% to 532. And it was also a good day for capital goods companies. Among them, Larsen & Toubro rocketed up 4.79% to 1,203 and BHEL did even better with a rise of 6.12% by the end of trade. And that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.